everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem IFIT Gift Card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to redeem your IFIT gift card, open up a web browser first. Soon after you do that, go to the web address bar and type in shop.ifit.com and press enter on a keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, go ahead and select the product that you'd like to purchase from the main homepage. Once you find the product, go ahead and select its size, color, and its quantity and click on Add to Cart. Once you add a product in your shopping bag, you can redeem the gift card during the checkout process. Click the checkout button on the next page and now enter your shipping address in the text boxes displayed on the screen and click on Continue to Shipping. In the payment area, go ahead and select your payment method. If you want to redeem your gift card and use it as a method of payment, go to the right hand side of the screen and enter your gift card number into the text box. Finally, click the Apply button right next to the box in order to redeem your gift card for IFIT. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.